Hello and welcome to a new training video from Skolera. In today's video we're going to continue with the student interface, and this time we will take a look at MyDays. Obviously from its name, MyDays are all things related to time and days. Basically we have the calendar. This shows us our weekly calendar or monthly calendar. You can view the calendar by month, by week or by day as you wish. You can also add personal events to your calendar. The events are usually described by 4 different things, either academic events, vacations, normal events, or personal events. To create a personal event, you just click on create an event, write the start date and time for the event and the end date and time for the event. Right there. You can write a subject for the event if you want to, and you just click on create. The event will be created for you right there. Personal events are in orange, as you can see. Right there, and that's the event. When you click on it, you can actually see the details of this event right there. Since it's own personal event, you can update the event, change the dates, change the description, or you can delete it as well if you want. Now, they are personal events, which means nobody else gets to see these events. They're own personal events. But other than that, events created by a school administration for academic vacations and events will also be viewed in here. You can always filter by clicking on a particular name. So if I click on vacations, it will only show vacations. Since none are listed in here, you can't see any of the vacations in here. But if you remove that, it will then show all the events that are available throughout. You click on select all and it will automatically show all the events that we have in here. Okay? The next thing is the timetable. And this will show the school timetable for each day of the week, each lesson in the day, the start and end times of each of these lessons, and it tells you what subjects that you have on these particular days. Of course, the weekends will differ depending on your school. Most schools have Friday and Saturday off, but if you're working on Saturdays, then you might have Saturday and Sunday off, but you work on Fridays, and so on. And this will show you all the details right up there with breaks left empty in between. If changes happen to your schedule, you will be notified. You'll receive a notification that there has been updated or the daily schedule has been updated. The last thing we're going to see here are the weekly plans. They will only be visible when weekly plans are published by the school administration. These should contain details of what you're expected to do throughout the week, filled in by your teachers. Teachers of the different subjects will fill in these details and will show up to you once they're published, and you will be able to see your weekly state. You can always again filter through them, take a look at the different parts and click on any of them to view the details of these weekly plans. This was the end of our video for today, and once more we'll recap on the things we covered. We've taken a look at MyDays, which includes my calendar, the general calendar of the school plus your personal events. It also includes the timetable and the weekly plans. Thank you for joining us in our today's video, and we hope to see you in future videos with Skolera.